Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can premiere videos on YouTube, how you can add a trailer to it to make it look professional. Some people can even subscribe seeing the trailer if it's eye-catching to them. So let's not waste time, let's get into the main part of the video. So just like you can see on my screen, I have a video uploaded here. This is not a professional video, I just uploaded it here for this tutorial. So I'm not going to do anything here. Let's just be checking the box and let's go. We will not monetize this. This is an unprofessional video. We wouldn't add any cuts as well. So here, this is the instant premiere here. So you choose public, you check the box, this instant premiere. So when you publish this video, it's going to premiere itself instantly. But then we're not going to choose this option. Let's choose this. I want us to be adding a trailer for it to look professional. So here, today is Thursday, so let's choose Friday so we can schedule it, and then let's choose PM as well. Let's check the premiere box and then let's set up a premiere. So if you don't have any trailer to add, I think you can choose any of these options. If it's a sports video, if it's an inspirational video, if it's a cartoon or anything of your choice. If it's cinematic, you can choose this. If it's a movie or something, a short movie or something, and then the countdown to, I think the countdown should be 1 minute or 2 minutes. It shouldn't be long because people wouldn't be on the video and then they will be watching a countdown 5 minutes. You're wasting their time. I don't think it's advisable for your countdown minutes to be more than 1 minute or even 2 minutes. So here, let's add a trailer. So I have a short video there. No, I think I should have uploaded. Yes, I should have uploaded it. Sorry. I should have uploaded the. Sorry. So I think I'll come here. I have a short video. I'm uploading it. It wouldn't take a lot of time. So this is it in some few seconds. I think I should check something here before I can continue. No. I would be monetizing this too as well. I think the checklist is even done. Next. And then let's unlist it. So let's save it. So when you unlist a video, people that have a link to that video can watch it. So let's come here. Now let's choose it again. And then let's search the trim. So we have it here. This is the trailer. So you see we add the trailer. So now let's save it. And now let's schedule it. So good. This is our link. Let's copy the link. Let's close it. Let's come here. Let's paste the link in our browser and let's search it. And good. You can see this. And you see the trailer. You can check the notify me here. So when they hop on this, they are going to watch the trailer, just like you see for upcoming movies. So here, if they do like the trailer, they can even subscribe. They can even check the notify me or something like that. So when the trailer is done, they are going to see the thumbnail like this. So this is how you premiere a video on YouTube. So that's it for the video. Kindly do all to like and then subscribe to our channel. Peace.